everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, Wygo stands for when you get old. Alright, I'm kind of excited, kind of TO'd. Do we still say that? This here is the May Ipsy Icon Box. If anyone's here just randomly, welcome, and is curious what an Ipsy Icon Box is, it's a beauty subscription upgrade to the monthly BoxyCharm by Ipsy. You get 8 products. 5 of the products are curated by a celebrity. So this quarter's box is curated by Patrick Starr, who is a beauty influencer with his own brand. And then we get to select 3 of our own products. So here we have a serum from First Aid Beauty. This is the Bounce and Boosting Serum. This product was put into my box from Ipsy. It's 30 ml and I am 57 years old, so of course I will use a serum. So I'm never mad when I get skincare. I just like to make sure I get a good balance between skincare and makeup. Alright, so this serum retails for $44, which means one other product and the box has been paid for. Alright, so the next product Ipsy put in my box is from the NewCo, and this is a water therapy. It says relax. I want to say this is a fragrance of some sort. Let's take her out. Okay, interesting. Very plain white box, and then we have this beautiful blue, like a nice cobalt. All right, I'm always weary of scents because, let's face it, I don't like every scent that comes into my life. What can I spray this on? Let's try a Kleenex. Let's see. Okay, very nice mister. Well, I guess it should have a nice mister if it's a perfume. Alright, let's try it on my skin. I don't know what to say about that. It wasn't bad. It wasn't good. It was kind of like, what does that smell like? I don't know what that smells like. It kind of smells familiar, but I don't know why. I'm on the fence. It's not like, oh my god, flower bomb, watch out, you know? It's not floral at all. It's not sweet at all. But it's also not obnoxious. I don't know how I feel about this. I guess I'll have to remember, if I can, at the end of the video to see if, after it's settled in, if I could describe it better. Definitely something will float on screen to share what the notes are. I can't figure out the price of this perfume. This is 30 ml, and on their website they only sell a 50 ml, which sells for $104. So this is maybe $70. It is a perfume, and perfumes are typically pricey. All right, what else did Ipsy put in my box? All right, we have something from Saturday Skin. This here is the Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped. Wait, what? Probiotic Power Whip. What is this? Is it a primer or skincare? 7 peptides. Okay, so I'm presuming it's a moisturizer, which your girl here has dry skin and will never be upset getting a moisturizer. Probiotic Power Whipped. It needs an adjective after, like power, or no, a noun. Wait, what is that? Power whipped what? Day cream, power whipped, night cream, power whipped. It needs a word after power whipped. Let me look on the app. All right, so yes, this is a moisturizing face cream. It retails for $45 and you get 45 mLs. Yay! Okay, finally I got something from One Size. This here is the Point Made Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner Pen. Awesome. Oh, okay. I'd say that. Everyone in the world is probably excited to get this shade because they're tired of getting black. I'm like, I always wear black. This is in brown, which isn't a bad thing. It's just I don't normally or ever wear brown, but I guess, you know, now that I own one, I can actually wear brown. Let's see. Okay, I like the tip, and it's a nice dark chocolatey brown. All right, I'm not mad at that. The eyeliner retails for $19. All right, what else did Ipsy put in my box? Ooh, okay, yes, it's coming back to me. This here is also from One Size. This is the Cheek Clapper 3D Blush Trio in the shade Attention Seeker. Okay, I love blush. I love a nice pink. Hopefully, yes. And I want to say I own one of these, but not this shade. Yes, so here's the one I own, which is kind of more coral. And here is the one I got in Ipsy. Yes, okay. Thank goodness I didn't get a repeat, which isn't on Ipsy. It's on me for having too many makeup products. But I actually like that softer pink than the coral one I already own. I forgot to mention that the top shade is actually cream blush, and then the last two are powder, with the final one kind of being more shimmery or has more shine to it, which you could probably use as like a blush topper or kind of as a highlighter. This, by the way, retails for $38. All right, now on to my choices, and if my memory serves me correctly, keep in mind, we made our choices on May the 1st, and I'm filming on May the 25th. That's like 3 weeks. I can't remember what happened 2 days ago. So the choices weren't spectacular, in my opinion, or at least what was offered up to me. And that should be evident in what I chose. So this here is from Huda Beauty. Great brand. So don't base it off of the brand, but on the product. This here is the hashtag BOMBBROWS Microshade Brow Pencil. How many times have you seen me do my brows? Can you count on one hand? So if I'm picking a brow product, the choices weren't spectacular. Let's take a look and go down memory lane. All right, so here's what the packaging looks like. It's reminding me, or I have like an eyeliner that looks just like this. All right, so we have a spoolie on one end, and then the other end's going to be the product. And I'm curious why it's not twisting up. Is she broken? Great. Oh, there it goes. It's just so, wow. That is so thin. I didn't see it twist up. Interesting. All right, let's see if it draws on. Ow, that's hurting my hand. All right, maybe it just needed to brush off. Can you see it? It's right there. So that's probably still a little too dark for me, but you know, we will have fun doing our makeup try on. So I got a brow pencil. What does that retail for? Considering this is from Huda, I honestly thought it would be a lot more money. This is $17. All right, the next product I selected is also from One Size. This is the Eye Popper Sparkle Vision Eyeshadow. Okay, it's in, at least the color on the outside of the box. I'm not even mentioning that because we all know stuff. Yeah, it doesn't. Wow. So the outside of the box looks like a mauve pink, and this is like a peachy golden. Okay, I said I wasn't going to mention it, and I mentioned it just because it was so not even close. All right, it's beautiful, just nothing like the box color. All right, so that is a liquid eyeshadow. It's actually really pretty. I just don't reach for liquid shadows, but that is really, really pretty. If anyone's curious what my choice options were, I will list them up above while I grab the next product, which is from BYROE, and this is the Basil Dark Spot Correcting Cream. So this brand we have seen several times in Ipsy. It's on the pricier end. I've tried a couple of items. I know everyone loves this brand. There were a couple that I didn't care for the scent and wasn't my jam, but again, options, not very good. But when I saw this, I thought, you know, I use skincare. I have dark spots. Why not give it a try? And look how different and interesting this packaging is. Wow, it almost looks like a Go-Gurt or something. What is, do you pull up? Oh, you do. Is that interesting? All right, what does this retail for? Yep, as expected, It is skincare and by a nice brand. So this retails for $85. This one product paid for the entire box. All right, I did pick up 2 add-ons because I am a sucker for complexion products. And apparently there was a BB cream or foundation that could have been in your box. Was it in mine? No, I have the worst luck lately. So I had to pick it up on add-ons. Wanted to, but had to. All right, so this is the Turn Up the Base BBB Cream Beauty Blur Balm. I think it was $12. I also picked up a $3.50 add-on. This is also from that brand BYROE. This is the Bitter Green Essence Toner, and it's thick, which means it's kind of more like a serum or what I consider an essence. It also tones. So yay, I'm excited to give this product a try. All right, let's recap everything I got in the May 2024 Ipsy Icon Box. I got the Bounce Boosting Serum from First Aid Beauty, the Pretty Popped Probiotic Power Whipped from Saturday Skin, the Water Therapy Fragrance from Nuco, the Microshade Brow Pencil from HUDA Beauty, the Point Made Waterproof Eyeliner Pen from One Size, the Eye Popper Sparkle Vision Eyeshadow from One Size, the Basil Dark Spot Correcting Cream from BYROE, and the Cheek Clapper 3D Blush Trio from One Size. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are not too shabby. Was it the best box? No. Was it the worst box? Not even close. Were my choices questionable at times? Yes. But this blush palette, and particularly in this shade, excellent. Lots of skincare, but I'm not mad at it. I have dark spots. This was $85. The Saturday Skin one, I'm still a little confused. And a serum from First Aid Beauty. My box has been paid for. Me picking a brow pencil? I'll have fun playing with it, but honestly, I really don't do my brows. I do use liquid eyeliners, and I've never owned one in a chocolatey brown. So I am intrigued and interested in giving it a try. My go-to is black, but I'm not mad at this. The scent, let's revisit. It smells like when you're maybe at the beach or at a swimming pool. I don't know. I guess it said water on there. Water therapy. If you smelled it, you go, oh yeah, that smells kind of familiar, but it's hard to describe. I can tell you right now, I'm not going to reach for it. It's just not my jam. So that one, not so much. But all of the other products, well, maybe this brow. I'll use this once and probably forget about it. But the other 6 products, I definitely will use at some point. I'm going to list the MSRP total value of my box. I can tell already I definitely got my money's worth. Again, this box was $60 and the one BYROE product was what, $85? The blush was $38. I definitely got my money's worth. So I'm curious if you also upgrade to the Icon Box or if you skipped this month. I don't know. I feel like sometimes I come across like I may be complaining, but I just have high standards. And in the past, there have been some really good boxes and other boxes are just kind of This one I would say is above but isn't like, oh my God, the best box ever. It's up there. I'd say it's a B+ box. But now I want to hear from you. What did you think of my box this month? Would you have made other choices? Did you think my choices were as bad as I thought? Or did you think, no, girl, why'd you pick that brow pencil? You could have got something else. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.